Sajid and welcome to the channel SciTech. In today's video to show you how to install the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, which is a 1.5.0 version in any Android device. Yes friends, right now there's a APK and OBB file available in my Telegram group. If you want, you can download and you can install safely in your smartphone. And with this kind of upgrade, you will definitely get slightly better improvements in terms of the FPS. Yes, only few phones, only few processors got upgraded. That is the reason why a lot of users are actually waiting for this 1.5 version. So by the time I'm making this video officially, it did not get launched in the Play Store, as you can see. That's the reason I thought of showing you. So we did not get any kind of update by the time I'm making this video. So let me try to show you exactly how to install and what is the procedure to follow. So don't try to skip the video, because if you try to skip, you won't know exactly the process. So in case if your previous phone already has the Battlegrounds Mobile India, as you can see, first try to uninstall that game. So this is a 1.4.1 version which I did install in this phone. So first try to uninstall that game. So then you need to download these two applications, which is the APK and which is the OBB file, as you can see friends. So these two files are completely available in my Telegram group. So make sure to join in my Telegram, which is the SciTech Guru YT. In the Telegram search for the SciTech Guru YT, you can find with the 5,000 members joining. So make sure to follow that. So first try to install the APK, as you can see. So now I'm trying to install the APK. So, and don't try to open the APK right now. So don't open the APK. So as soon as it's finished installing, try to click done. That's it. So it started to install and done. So now you need to copy this OBB file. So let me try to copy the OBB file, copy it and go to the Android and go to the OBB. If you cannot go to the OBB for anything, try to download the another file manager. So only few file managers will be able to access this kind of OBB data. So in my case, I'm trying to use the CX file manager, which is very simple and easy to use. So I'm trying to using that file manager. The reason why I'm using that file manager is because in case if you create any kind of different wrong name, you'll be able to know, because all these folders which are related to the game, you can see the game icons, as you can see. So now you need to create a folder which is the name com.pubg.i mobile, as you can see. Create the folder with this name. So once the folder has been created, you will get this kind of icon. So now you can actually see the Battlegrounds mobile icon as well, as you can see friends clearly. The small icon, you can actually see it properly without any issues. Now let me try to open that folder and try to paste the OBB file exactly in the folder. As you can see, done. So try to follow exactly as it is. Now go to the home screen and try to long press on the BGMI. Go to the app info and now give the permissions to access the storage. Click on the storage, allow access to media only, and click on microphone, allow only while using this app. As you can see friends, the game should be able to update by itself. As you can see right now, it's kind of updating, as you can see. So in case if you have faced any kind of problem with the OBB file, so make sure to download only the APK, and you can actually wait for the download as well directly. So from the server, so no need to even download the OBB file. You can directly install APK and you can download it straight away. And the file which I did copy in the exactly com.pubg.i mobile, so which is a 15331, as you can see. So before I did not change the name, but it's a kind of 15331. This is the exact file which should be there for the OBB for the Battlegrounds Mobile 1.5. So it's kind of really, sometimes it's kind of confusing. So right now, once you download and everything, so then you can actually open this BGMI game, and the game will download additional data as well, which is a 672 MB. As you can see, right now it's kind of downloading. So once after the download, you can straight away play the Battlegrounds Mobile 1.5 version without any kind of issues. So meanwhile, the game will download in the background, and let me try to open the game and let me show you exactly the servers are properly working right now. So yesterday I had some kind of issues with the Battlegrounds Mobile, this version which is a 1.5, but today the servers are exactly working and you are able to completely play the match as well without any kind of issues, which is the version 1.5. As you can see, version 1.5.0. So few of the phones, they did actually get upgrade as well for the 90 FPS. That's really good. So one of the phone is a Realme X1 Max, which got upgraded to 90 FPS, as you can see after the recent update. So yesterday I did face a lot of difficulty in terms of starting the match because of the servers. So today you can definitely play this match using this same method. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to let me know in the comment section below in case if you have any other queries. So definitely I'll be able to help you out, and don't forget to join my Telegram group, and you can download the OBB file and the APK as well directly from my Telegram group. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.